some oysters and chilling on the beach now, and a nice stout drink. The oysters were such a good choice. They were so refreshing. We added like onion vinegar sauce and some lemon, and it was really amazing. Oysters Farm, and it's the houses behind me are really nice. They are quite private, but also they have a view to the beach. I really enjoyed this fishing village, and it was bigger than expected. It has a really nice vibe, it's people all over. It has a lot of restaurants and bars, but it's a very chilled vibe. The food tastes and smells amazing. I definitely recommend this place, so if you can, please check it out. It's really amazing. And yeah, I would definitely come back here. Thank you for watching. And if you haven't seen my Canterbury video, please check it out.